Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. If you're a programmer and you want to be a successful coder, there are certain things you're going to need to learn outside of just programming. These skills will help you in your career and at the same time make you a better coder. Now, there are various languages and technology that you could be coding in, but we're not going to go into specific technologies, but we will talk about general skills that you'll need if you want to become a great programmer. Some of them will be technical skills, whereas some of them will be more soft skills. As always, if you have any questions as you watch this video, or if you can think of any more skills, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video or found it interesting or helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's jump into it. Now, the first skill is very important, and that is how to juggle, of course. Okay, but the first one is just as funny, and it is one of the most important skills that you will need if you want to become a great programmer, and that is how to Google. As you know, you will have to Google a lot of things when you're writing your code. This is one of the best and most common ways to solve a problem. You will have to search a lot to find the answer to a specific problem, whether it be finding the code in Stackoverflow or searching for other problems. If you have this skill, you'll be able to win almost any challenge that comes your way. You can easily code and you can make sure that you will save a lot of time in doing it. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, the second thing on our list is the skill to keep up with the trends. Now, we've already created a video on the top trends in software engineering, so at the end of this video, you can also check that out. I'll include a link to that in the description as well. And this is important because you don't want to waste your time learning skills that aren't going to be in demand. If you can make sure that the skills you're focused on learning line up with the current trends, it will help keep making you more marketable. For example, if you're working on Python, it could be a good idea to also start learning AI, machine learning, and all the related things. If you're working with C# or mobile programming languages, you could start learning about AR and VR. Keeping up with the trends will help to keep making you better. It's always better to have the skills that are in demand. And with the right skills, it will be easier for you to get promoted and make more money. And that's the power of keeping up with the trends. Stack knowledge. Let's say you work with React. You could try to learn the entire MERN stack. Many job posts will be looking for mean stack developers and MERN stack developers. You can keep upgrading yourself. Full stack developers are high in demand since they can save a company the cost of hiring both a front-end developer and a back-end developer separately. And it also gives you the chance to earn a much higher salary. Communication. Many people think that programmers don't need communication skills. However, that's a huge myth. Communication is very important for programmers. As a programmer, it will help you in communicating better with your team, and it will increase your chance of getting promoted in your job. Even if you're just programming for yourself and making your own app, communication skills will still be a great part in helping you make the right deals. Documentation and testing. You're likely not the only person who's going to be writing the code. There will be other team members who will work on the same code. So you always have to follow the standards when you're programming and make detailed documentation. When you follow the standards, everyone can understand the code. And as for testing, it's maybe not something that I'd recommend you learn completely. You can leave most of it to the tester. However, it's a good idea to have a bit of testing knowledge. And last but not least, knowledge of tools and using them efficiently. Today, programmers have tons of tools that they can use to make their work much easier. From integrated development environments to their extensions. From web apps to browser extensions. Many tools will help you out. Some of them are gems that can save you hours. You must know them and how to use them most efficiently. And this brings us back to our first skill, that is Googling. If you know how to search, you can start right there and you can look for the best tools that are available for programmers and that suit your needs the best. So there we have it, 6 high-level skills for programmers. If you have any questions, or like I said, if you can think of any more, let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.